In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal cannot add bank account problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is log into your PayPal account and make sure that your account is not limited, restricted, or under review. Always ensure that your bank is supported by PayPal. Some banks or cards cannot be added. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your bank detail. Enter your bank name, account number, and IFSC or sort code correctly, and even a small typo can cause the issue. The name on your PayPal account must match your bank account name, so personal and bank account details must be identical. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and try removing the bank and wait a few minutes and try adding it again, or you could try adding it from the PayPal website instead of the app, or vice versa. You can also try clearing your browser cache or cookies, or use a stable internet connection. If none of it works, simply go ahead and contact your bank or even your PayPal support at paypal.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything.